Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on, and good morning. This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Yes, I've made mistakes. Life didn't come with instructions. Okay, show of hands. Hands up. Who has never made a mistake? Come on. We all do. And we have to learn from them. These are the lessons that we need to deal with, the problems that we face each day. Making mistakes shows something that doesn't work and puts us one step closer to something that does actually work for us. As the well-known quote says, if you've never made a mistake, then you're not really trying. So what will you try today?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.